Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making ham and potato au gratin in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil in here. About a tablespoon or so. Now I have 14 ounces of ham that I cut up into little cubes. We're going to get that in and we're going to brown it. So what that's going to do is that's going to give more flavor to our potatoes au gratin. So I'm going to get my ham down in here and I'm going to brown it for a few minutes until it gets nice and browned up and releases its flavor. Okay, now that my ham is all browned up, I'm going to add in 1 cup of chicken broth. And I turn my power off just for now. I'm going to add in 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. You could also use cream of mushroom in this, that would work fine. Alright, now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys, a teaspoon of garlic salt, and like I've said before, if you're on a low sodium diet or you just don't like salt in your food, just use some granulated garlic or garlic powder. And I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, that's looking good. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Get everything all mixed together. Alright. Now I have roughly 4 pounds of potatoes that I sliced in my mandolin slicer. I had some red ones I had to use up and I used some russet ones. I have the skins on them. We're going to get them down into the pressure cooker. And I'm going to give that one more stir to get everything all mixed together in here. And guys, this pressure cooker is a little hot, so don't mind me. Okay, we're looking pretty good there. Okay, now I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on here. Make sure we're set on seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook on high for 4 minutes. When the 4 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my 4 minutes is up. I released my pressure. Now I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese to this. We'll start out with about a cup. We'll go for about a cup and a half. I'm going to stir that down into this and I'm going to try to do this gently so I don't break my potatoes up too much. And that soup and chicken broth that's in there is going to mix with this cheese and make a nice cheesy sauce for this. Get a little more cheese in there. And if you don't have a Foodi, you just have a pressure cooker, you can do this in your pressure cooker, just you won't be able to brown the cheese on at the end. But you could transfer it into a baking dish and brown it in the oven, or just if you have an Instant Pot with a stainless steel pot, just put that right in the oven. That'll be fine. Okay, now that I have my cheese in here, and I'm just getting the excess off of the spoon, I'm going to put a healthy coating of cheese on top. So until it's said and done, I'd say we have about 3 cups of cheese in here, guys. Alright, now I'm going to close down my air fryer lid. I'm going to put this on air crisp. It's set at 390. I'm going to let it down. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. When our 5 minutes are up, that should be nice and crispy brown and ready to serve. Okay guys, my 5 minutes are up. You see this nice and golden brown. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I had a little parsley for some color, guys. I'm going to get in here and try this. Try a piece of this ham. It's really good. Picked up the flavorings from the spices I put in there. The cheese, the soup. And just browning it really made it good. See, my potatoes are nice and tender. Nice and cheesy. And that soup made a nice cheese sauce for in there. It's really good, guys. All right, there you have it. Ham and cheese au gratin in a Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.